Welcome back everyone. You may be having an issue with your iPhone where for some reason randomly in the middle of some calls, your calls either drop or they just get really bad signal and it sounds like your signal is really bad and it sounds like the phone call is really bad. Now if you're in a position like this, it's really easy. The thing that ends up helping it for me is to get in an area that has better cell signal. So in this case, if you're on Wi-Fi or if you're on cellular, you just want to get either better Wi-Fi connection or better cell connection. So if you're in the basement of somewhere or if you're in the middle of nowhere, you're going to have bad service anyway. So you want to get into an area that has either better Wi-Fi or better cell connection signal, and then you can pretty much move on from there. From my experience, that's pretty much what helps it for me, and that's probably what's going to help it for you. Now, for some reason that doesn't work, the next thing you may want to do is to try calling that person again, because sometimes it may not even be your problem. You may be in an area that has really good signal, but for some reason it's working for you, but it's not working for someone else. Well, it may be them, which is very funny because it's not you, it's them. So if that ends up being the case, you're just going to have to ask them politely, hey, can you get into an area that has better cell signal? And then you can pretty much move on from there. Now, if that doesn't work or if it's another problem, you can also make your way over to your settings panel just like this. All you want to do here is you want to scroll down until you see General. You want to click on Software Update, and you want to update your phone to the latest version of software. If you're on a very outdated version of iOS, you may have some random issues there that we're having on that version of software that Apple may have already patched. So I'd recommend updating your phone, and that's another really easy way to pretty much fix that issue. Now, if you update your phone and it's still not working or you don't have an update available like me, well, you may want to go ahead and restart your phone. So you want to hold the power button and the volume up button here, or whatever other way you want to do it. And then you want to power off your iPhone, and then once it's powered off, you want to go ahead and turn it back on. Try giving that person a call again and seeing if that fixed it. If it fixed it, great. If it still doesn't work, you may want to go ahead and check your earpiece up here, and you want to make sure that your earpiece isn't non-functional or that it's not working properly. Now, if you have a brand new iPhone, this may not be an issue, but if you have a very outdated or maybe like a couple-year-old iPhone, you may want to make sure your earpiece is working fine. A great way to do this is to call around, call other people, maybe call Apple support, and see if it sounds bad on all the calls. If it sounds horrible on every single call, and you know it's not a cell signal problem or anything, then you may have to go ahead and make sure that your earpiece is fully functional and go on from there. If everything else sounds fine then you're pretty much set. If you're still having issues, I'd recommend contacting Apple support and having them take a look at your iPhone. So that's pretty much it. A few ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.